In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to make money online right now for a beginner. And this is brand new to this channel. We haven't talked about this before, so you're going to want to stay tuned. And you don't need to go and have your own website to do this or do any fancy coding. We don't need to do any of that at all. That's how easy this actually is. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step so we don't miss out on any information. So this is what you're going to learn in this video, exactly how this works, how to get started, how to get the tools needed. And I'm going to show you this all in the next 10 minutes. Let's get started and I'll show you exactly how to make money online as a beginner in 2024 with this new method. Let's get started. All right, guys, so this is the new way to make money online and it's blowing up right now. As you can see, if we go down here, I'll just show you real quickly. This person here is charging $22 per month and they have 7,000 members. That's absolutely insane. If we also go down to this one, they're charging $1 a month and they have 100,000 members. So they're getting around about $130,000 per month just from their little private group that they have created. And I'm going to show you how you can do this without showing your face or anything. You don't have to literally do any content yourself. I'm going to explain to you how you can do this, how you can start your own group and you can actually make money and you can get traffic from this website. You don't actually have to go ahead and get a lot of traffic outside of this website. But if we see here, this guy is charging $97 per month for 200 members, $75 a month for 1,000 members. So we know that these groups are actually making money. So let's jump into it and I'll explain to you how this all works and how you can make money online with this method. So first of all, let's go into my group and I will explain to you kind of how it works. But as you can see here, you can create your own group. I will leave a link in the description so you can come to my group if you like and check it out and see what it's all about. You can kind of go and replicate what I've done and I'll leave a link to this website as well if you want to go check it out. So let's go to my group real quick, and my group is we'll go to it right here, and this is my group right here, and you'll see kind of what this group's about. We've got 500 members, there's some like gamification, etc. Doesn't really matter because what matters is the content. If we actually go to the classroom section, you'll see that this is the content that I am giving away in my group. Now, my group is free right now. I'm not charging, but you can charge. But this is just a book here. If I click on this, this is just a book that I created with ChatGPT. So I didn't really do much to get this book and it's free, so it doesn't really matter. This here is just an YouTube video that I did. And then if we go back, I'm giving away custom GPT prompts, which of course you don't need to show your face. And then down here, we've got some Canva templates that I've created. And we have some ChatGPTs that I created. So these are my ChatGPT bots that I have made that people can go ahead and use. So if we click on this, it'll take me to ChatGPT and we can use this. So what I'm doing is I'm just giving that's the content inside my group. So the first step is, how do you get content for your group? What you want to do is you want to click on the link below and you want to go and first of all create your group and just get the basics around your group created, like the description and stuff like that and the image and all of that. And your group can be about anything. If you actually go back here, it's not always about making money. This one is about fitness. This one is about growth of companies. This one is about some sort of community. This one here is about Ascent. This one here is about the High Vibe Tribe. And then there's some coaching and then there's like general stuff as well. It's not always about making money. So it could be fishing, horse riding, anything you have some sort of skill in or you know a little bit about, or you can just use content from ChatGPT, etc. And what I'll do real quick is I'll just show you how you charge for your group. So you go to settings here and then you go to subscriptions and all I have to do is add a price. That's it. And I can charge for the group. It's super easy. And just keep in mind that when you get on people will find your group through here as well. So first step is we need to find content. You can go to Google and put in PLR websites, and you're going to get these things called PLR websites, okay? If we click on this website here, we can buy and download whatever content we want, and we can resell it so we can put it inside our group. So for example, this is 3,000 Google Bard AI prompts. We can go and buy this and then we can go ahead and upload it to our group Classroom right here. So I'll go to Classroom and then all I would do is go add course and then I can add it into there and I can go ahead and I can add in that information. And you can actually make members buy it if you like. Members pay a one-time price to unlock this course. So you can do that as well if you want. It's really, really cool. There's a lot of cool stuff inside this. You can really monetize it multiple ways. So that's the first step, is you can go ahead and you can get content from PLR websites. You can go to ChatGPT and you can get ChatGPT to do a lot of stuff for you. So let's just take an example real quick. Now this is going to be a very basic version of this. You do want to do a more advanced version, but I'm going to go give me, let's say you have a fishing group. Give me 100 GPT prompts for how to get better at fishing. I'm not really too sure, but you can get these created and you can go ahead and upload them into your group. That's the coolest stuff about this. So it's given us some basic prompts. You can use tools to make the prompts better, but you can go and upload these into your group. Now you might not want to charge for these because that wouldn't be very nice, because people could simply get these off ChatGPT. But what you can do is you can use tools to make these more advanced. And you can put in some work to make better prompts, and then you can sell those prompts, okay? And then we can also do things like, we'll go lead magnet, and we can create ebooks. So if we go down to here to Kerwin Rae's ebook lead magnet generator, I use this one. We can use this to create ebooks, which is how I created this one right here, and we can upload them into our group. And these have affiliate links and things like that. So that's another way that we can go ahead and get content, and we don't have to show our face at all. The next step is, how do we actually go ahead and get traffic to our group? So if we click on the About page here, the link up the top, this is going to be the link where you send people to, okay? Because this is where they're going to sign up. You have a little description here. What we want to do, now keep in mind guys, you only need 200 people paying $20 per month to make over $146 per day. It doesn't take a lot of people to make over $100 per day with this particular method. You just need to drive the traffic to the group. So how do you go ahead and do that? There is a few ways that I would recommend you do this. So there's a few ways. Number one, you could use something like Instagram, and you can post out Instagram content, which is what I've started to do because I haven't used my Instagram in a while. And you can put a link to your group inside your Instagram bio, okay? Another one, for example, is you can use TikTok. Now let's take this TikTok, for example, Canva text hack. So actually, no, that's not a good one because it's from Canva itself. Let's go here. Okay. Let me just find this guy's account. So this guy here does Canva tutorials. So it would make sense for him to make a group on how to do Canva tutorials. He could go ahead and he could put his link in here on his Canva tutorial TikTok. Now another way is you can go ahead and go to Fiverr, and if you don't want to do the content yourself, and you can buy shorts for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and things like that. You can get 50 videos for $5. And if you actually go down, they actually have niches that you can choose. So you choose a specific niche. So for example, you might go ahead and make a group on school.com about home decorations, and then you can get 50 home decoration videos done for $5, and you can go ahead and you can post them inside on your social media accounts. So that's how you can go ahead and make money that way. Get traffic that way as well. So there you go, guys. That's how you can go ahead and start your own private group to make money. If you actually go to Discover Communities here, you can see that people are actually making money. This is real. People are making money in their groups. You can see how many members they have and how much they're making. 1,000 members here, $199 per month. If we go to the next page, we have more stuff here. AI Guy Academy, 300 members, $50 per month. These guys are making bank with this method. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, just quickly before I end this video, I just want to show you my group in case you're interested in joining. We do weekly campfire chats. We have another one coming in 3 days. We have sections on different types of specific niches as well, like affiliate marketing, YouTube, dropshipping, coaching. We have a classroom where we have lots of content that you can go actually through and have a look at, and I am putting some more content in today. But generally, this is the group that we have right now, and it's quite active over the last few days, but it is new, so we are adding content every single day. You can join this for free. There's a link below in the description.